Okay, what's up, you guys? It's Marlena. Closing my door. Welcome to my channel. So, today I'm pretty much going to vlog because if you looking at me, I look a hot mess. But that's for a reason. Because I am about to do some gardening with my mother. We are about to plant some vegetables and a couple of flowers that we got. So I kind of wanted to share that with you guys. I think that's a very creative outlet for people. So I definitely wanted to share that. It's something I like the outcome. But I really don't like being in the dirt, but I like the outcome. So that's the reason why I'm willing to do it. So let's get started. See? That lady right there is my mother. She's already out there at work. She thinks she's a farmer. Yeah. Bring the hoe. Okay. Nothing. Okay, what's up, you guys? So it's actually the next day. Yesterday we spent literally all day outside to the point that I was so tired. I did not want to record. I didn't want to do nothing. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just show y'all what our garden looks like tomorrow, which is today. So I'm gonna do that, but I wanted to first show you guys. My mom wanted us to have salad today, so I made us a lovely salad. I'll show y'all what that looks like. Here is the salad I made. It's in a nice giant bowl. What's this? A seed. I think it's cucumber seed. It's in a nice giant bowl. I got red onions, cucumbers, got some mushrooms, I got red, orange, and yellow peppers. I chopped up some carrots. Did I chop up any tomatoes? I did want to put avocado in it, but my avocado wasn't ripe enough, so I couldn't put the avocado in. Yeah. So this is what we're gonna have. It's supposed to be lunch, but it's already lunchtime. Kind of got a late start to the day, and neither one of us is really hungry. So, well, my mom is hungry, and she wanted a bacon, egg and cheese sandwich. So I'm actually also cooking bacon. So this will probably end up being like dinner, and if it ends up being dinner, I'm just going to probably cook some chicken to go along with it. So yeah. So first I need to finish cooking. Then I'm going to go outside and show you guys our garden. It's so cool. I'm so proud of myself because I really don't like to play in dirt. I like gardening, but I don't like to play in dirt. But I made myself do it because I do like the outcome of everything. So I'm excited. So after I finish doing what I'm doing in here, I'm gonna go outside and show you guys how our garden is looking. It's all of our stuff. Ignore the little burn pile over there. So I'm gonna walk. All this right here is corn. You can kind of see grass starting to grow, so we're going to take care of that. today, this whole row right here, well, obviously that's onions. That's where the onions stop. And then, probably, I know y'all just like, why are we looking at dirt? Right up to there is where potatoes are. And then the rest of that row is sunflowers. I'm going to plant some more sunflowers.
You can't do nothing that thing.
This row right here is peppers up until that big one. We bought that one. The rest of them we grew from peppers we have already eaten. And then the rest of that row is actually going to be carrots. Step over. This row right here is string beans. Roxy. They haven't grown up yet, but you see where those little dips are is where I planted broccoli. And then zucchini and squash. Okay, that little one looking a little wilted. Then over there is tomatoes. Tomato. And that's actually okra. Oh, they look like they got bigger. So right here is where some watermelon is. And then the rest of the little spots are, not cucumber, cantaloupe. This right here is pumpkin. So when the fall comes, all of this row right here is pumpkin. When the fall comes, I'll have my own pumpkins. And then that right there is sweet potato. Yeah, and so that spot over there, we're probably gonna plant some more sunflowers and pumpkins. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're trying to keep clearing the land so we can make it look really pretty out here. So I'm excited. If there's anything else I can record, I will, you guys.